Hi folks, good morning from Donegal in Ireland. It's Chance here for WP Foodie School. If you like the content on the channel, please subscribe so you don't miss out on new published videos. Maybe drop some comments and give us some thumbs up on those videos. So let's talk about inserting forms on our recipe posts now. And to do this, what we're going to do, you can see here that we have this form. Get this recipe sent to your inbox. So when somebody puts in their details, they get the link back to the recipe so that they'll have it in their inbox. So to do this, we need to get the free plugin called WPCode, insert headers and footers, go over to our site. We need to go add new plugin. We'll just search for it here. We'll install that. We need to go back to our list of forms and we need to get the shortcode of the form that we're going to insert on those posts. So it's here. I'll use the MailChimp form from the previous tutorial about how to set up MailChimp and connect it to your WordPress website. We need to activate the plugin. And down at the bottom here, we'll have a new menu item called Code Snippets. We need to add snippet. And just want to check that I've no other snippets from previous tutorials active. So go add new. It'll be the very first option there. And we will call it MailChimp MailChimp tutorial. You need to put the shortcode for the form into there. This has to be changed from HTML snippet to text snippet. You need to activate the snippet up there with that blue button. We need to change the settings here from location. So need to change that there. It gets a bit hoppy and skippy on my laptop there for some reason, but we need to go to page specific and go over here on the right, insert after paragraph. We need to save it now. And we need to decide where on the recipe post we're going to put the form in. So if I refresh that, that form will... Oh, it should have disappeared. Oh no, that's the form we have now. I'm being stupid. I thought it was one from one of the previous tests. But you can see now that it's appearing after the first paragraph. Okay, so there's our heading. Our paragraph is there. So if we want to move it down a bit lower, we would change that to 2. And that will move the form down to the next position over the recipe card. So you need to play around with that and decide what you like. And you could even put different forms in different places on different posts and then check the, you see, in Fluent Forms, we have analytics in the dashboard. So you could create different forms for different places and then you could check very easily the conversion rates. It'll be very obvious there in the settings that some are performing better in certain places than others. So folks, if you find this too confusing, too techy, please get in touch with me. I can set this up for you in a matter of a couple of hours. It's not a big expensive job at all to get this working for you. So that's there. What we need to do with the snippets now, because we actually have a problem, we need to tell the plugin that we only want these posts on recipes, because I have another post here about meal planning and you see now that it's here and I don't want it on that post at all. So we have to go down here and we have to enable logic, this conditional logic, hit update so that the settings appear and go back down there, and we need to set a rule now that it'll be a taxonomy term and the term is recipes, and that's telling the plugin now that our form will only appear on recipes. See this here, I have this Kickstart meal plan article. I refresh the page and the form is gone. But if I go back to a recipe, it'll be there. It'll be down after the second paragraph. Okay, folks, so that's how it's done. As I said, it is a little bit techy and everything, so if you have trouble with it, please get in touch. I'll be able to get that rocking for you. So let's move on to the next video.